Welcome back, Harbros, to Harbro Freight. Quality videos, lowest prices. And today we have our once in a blue moon Amazon finds on tools. And we'll go ahead and jump right in. If you find this useful, please consider liking and subscribing. And here we go. So this first one's just going to be an example of what I do, because I don't think anybody else does this. But I base these finds off of best price history, and it's not 100%. But I think it guides pretty well. So here we have the KNIPEX high leverage combination pliers, 1000 volt, insulated, lowest price in 30 days, always a great sign, 13% off. They're $21.98. Now, of course, we are gonna, to an extent, believe Amazon when they say lowest price in 30 days, but there is a tracker, Camel, which I use religiously just to kind of window shop as well. But here we'll show the price history. And so what I do for each one of these things that I find is I'll check it against the price history. This one in particular has been out for 13 years, which is crazy. 13 years of history, and just eyeballing it, it averages about $40, a little bit less, but then in the last couple years it's gone up as high as $55. So between $40 and $55, and then you can see a drastic drop here to where it's at today at $21.98. So this is at its best price history. On Amazon, these KNIPEX high leverage combination pliers, insulated, $21.98. The lowest price in 30 days is accurate. So without going into the history for all of them, that is the underlying assumption of what I have done. Next, we have the Craftsman V20 tire inflator, portable air compressors, 3 modes, cordless, 120V corded and 12V car adapter, air pump, battery sold separately. I'm eyeballing this one because I have some Craftsman batteries. And when you're already in the lineup, tools like this become even more invaluable, and it's 36% off, $63.20. Next, we have the Smartin 154FG round face vertical chisel body hammer with fiberglass handle, very specific, 5.5-inch overall length, but it is 14% off, $54. Next, we have this Great Neck 4-in-1 screwdriver, interchangeable bits, Phillips and standard, assorted color, lowest price in 30 days, 11% off at $6.96. Excellent deal for an interchangeable Phillips and standard bit screwdriver to just have around or in your toolbox or in your random drawer. Next, we have Craftsman. We have a few Craftsman deals going on. Craftsman slip joint plier, 8-inch, 16% off, $7.98. Classic Craftsman. Then we have the Craftsman. This is the RP, so brushless. V20 cordless screwdriver, bare tool only, 20% off. This is at $71.20. That's offer up prices. Then we have this Amazon Basics horizontal, vertical, and cross-line class 2 laser level, 59 feet or 708 inches, yellow, black. And again, don't sleep on Amazon Basics or any Amazon products for that matter, because Amazon is notorious for finding a seller or a product that sells extremely well. They will copy it, or they'll just go to that manufacturer direct and then undercut. Terrible for the other businesses, for small businesses, but it's great for the consumer. You get some great products at ridiculously discounted prices. And here's one of them. $19.99, 30% off, lowest price in 30 days, a horizontal and vertical laser. Some of these things, like the DeWalt ones, $100 easy plus, $150, maybe $200. But if you're not doing professional work, but you still want to do great work with the laser level for $20, whew, that's tough to pass up on this. And then just another option. This is one of the bargain options too, and the Basics is cheaper than this. Laser level. This is HYCHIKA, 100-foot self-leveling green laser level dual mode modules with 2 laser heads, horizontal, vertical, cross-line, IP54, rechargeable cross-line laser, 360 rotary, magnetic bracket. Anyways, $21.90, not a bad price either. HYCHIKA, I don't say it's more reputable than Amazon brand, but they make a good, decent line of tools, or they're a good brand of tools. Decent brand of tools, but $19.99, tough to beat. Next, we have the Wiha 6-piece insulated SlimLine PocketMax multi-driver. Wiha, of course, excellent. And these are insulated for $39.99, 26% off. Excellent deal. For 40 bucks for an insulated multi-driver, 26% off. Definitely a good get here. Then we have this Phillips Xperion 3000 pen LED work light, 200 lumens, professional pen light with magnetic base, rotatable pocket clip for mechanics, construction, camping, or outdoor use. Just a convenient pocket light to have. The lowest price in 30 days, 16% off, $20.99. Then we have a few Craftsman tool boxes, carts. Here's the Craftsman rolling tool chest, 26-inch by 5-drawer. 26-inch 5-drawer workshop tool storage with wheels. Lowest price in 30 days, 20% off, but it is for $22.85. So a bit pricey, but it definitely looks high quality. Look at those casters. This has rims on it, which is wild. $422. Then we have the wooden top Craftsman workbench tool storage, 6 drawers with tray and holder set, 41-inch rolling, $486.34. And then we have the Craftsman diagonal cutting pliers, 8-inch compound action, lowest price in 30 days, $14.39, 8% off. Not a bad get. Nice comfort pliers, and it's Craftsman, so you can't go too wrong with Craftsman. Next, another great discount, 56% off. A Craftsman handsaw, 12-inch hacksaw. It's only $6.99, 56% off. And for a hacksaw, which is a tool that everybody needs, if you're just gonna hack something away, works on plastic, wood, laminate, 56% off, $6.99. You could do a lot worse than a Craftsman hacksaw, especially for $7. So this is definitely a steal of a deal here. Then we have these. Some of you kill me for my pronunciations. Hultafors work gear deluxe tool backpack, 58 pockets. So very nice bag. Premium construction, heavy duty ballistic polyester fabric. Very interesting. But the big thing is this is at its best price at $84.07, but there's a coupon, 25% extra off, and the terms are just through July 7th. So I don't believe this is a subscribe and save. So definitely give it a shot. An extra 25% off. You're getting an extra $21 off. So you're getting this tool bag backpack for, what is that, 60, just above $60. So huge savings if you order this right away. 25% off. 58 pocket tool bag. I know this would come in clutch for a lot of you. Next we have, and this is another one, the GEDORE JC Power Combination Pliers, 200 millimeter, $21.39. German tool, made in Austria, and some good pliers, $21.39. Don't think you can go wrong with having some high quality pliers like these. Then we have the Eklind tool power T-handle Ball-Hex key Allen wrench, 11-piece, SAE inch sizes, 5/64 to 3/8, 9-inch key Allens. Lowest price in 30 days, 10% off, $38.99. Then we have some Gearwrench, which seem to be on sale often. This is the 3-piece quarter, 3/8 and 1/2-inch drive, 120 XP, full polished tear drop ratchet set, $92.08, which means you're getting each one of these for about $30, which is a great deal. $30 for a Gearwrench 120 tooth ratchet, 3 of them. Good deal, great deal. Then we have these HN1001 hex key Allen wrench set, 30-piece industrial grade set tools, black and silver, 48% off for $6.20. Chrome vanadium steel, nice carrying case, solid deal. Then we have these YY tools rubber mallet hammer with fiberglass handle, 62% off at $5.37. And if you don't have a rubber mallet and you need to take a flyer on one, not a bad one to take a flyer on. Next, Gearwrench 51-piece micro bit set with ratcheting T-handle, excellent, 24% off, $38.29. We love us some Gearwrench. Then we have the stall wheel, double open-ended wrench set, 9 pieces, 1/4 inch to 1 5/16 inch chrome alloy steel, chrome plated tool control system, inlays, made in Germany. 161.23, so a little bit pricey, but it is stall wheel. And then last but not least, this stubby ratcheting flex head double box end wrench for nano sockets, 23% off. This is from Astro Tools, $36.37. Lifetime warranty, not too bad. And those are our deals at Amazon for now. Some decent deals. And I'll leave it at that. Happy shopping. Good luck shopping. Amazon Prime Day is coming up. I'll keep an eye out for some great deals. And as soon as I find those deals, I will send them your way.